Hi everybody. Today we are going to solve from 10th problem. So already we did up to 9th problem. Now we are starting from 10th problem. So the 10th problem is factorize 27a cube plus 64b cube. And second one is 49y cube minus 1000 using the above results. The above result is what we did in 9th problem. So that is by using that problem, using that result, we have to solve it. So the first one is 27a cube plus 64b cube. In the ninth one, we have a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This result we saw in ninth problem. By using this result, you have to factorize this. So first of all, you have to change into formula form, that is 3a whole cube. 3 cube is 27 and a cube plus 64b cube we can write as 4b whole cube. And by comparing these two LHS, we have a equal to 3a and b equal to 4b. So that equals, substituting these values in RHS, that is a plus b, 3a plus 4b into a square, that is 3a whole square minus ab, 3a into 4b plus b square, 4b whole square. That equals 3a plus 4b into 3a whole square, 9a square minus 3 4s are 12 ab plus 4 square is 16b square. So this is 27a cube plus 64b cube equals. So this is the factorization. These two are factors of this. Okay, next second one. Second one is 49y cube minus 1000 using the above results. So it is not 49, it is given wrong in the question. It is 343y cube. Then only we can factorize. So given one is 343y cube minus 1000. So it is in the form of a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Now, so this 343 we can write as 7 cube and it is y cube. So 7y whole cube minus 1000 we can write as 10 cube. By comparing these two LHS, we have a equal to 7y and b equal to 10. And by substituting these values in the identity, we have a minus b, that is 7y minus 10 into a square. A square is 7y whole square plus ab, 7y into 10 plus b square, that is 10 square, that equals 7y minus 10 into 7y whole square, that is 49y square plus 7 tens are 70y plus 10 square is 100. This is the factorization. 343y cube minus 1000 equal to 7y minus 10 into 49y square plus 70y plus 100. These two are the factors of this. Next, okay, 11th one is factorize 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz using identity. So what is given? 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz. So it is in the form of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz, that equals x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So this is the identity. By using this identity, you have to factorize this. First of all, I am going to write this in the form of formula form. So that is 27x cube, we can write 3x whole cube plus y cube and z cube minus 3 into 3x into y into z. 3 3s are 9, x, y, z. So by comparing this with LHS, we'll get x equal to 3x and y equal to y and z equal to z. So therefore, by substituting these values in the right side, we will get x plus y plus z, that is 3x plus y plus z into x square, that is 3x whole square plus y square is y square itself plus z square itself minus xy 3x into y minus yz y into z minus zx z into x is 3x. So that is 3x plus y plus z into 3x whole square is 9x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus 3 1 into 3 3 zx or xz. Okay, so this is 27x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 9xyz equals. So these two are the factors of this. Okay, next one is, okay, 12th one is verify that x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equals half of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So what is given? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to half of x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. We know this identity. What is the identity? X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. This is the identity. So I am writing this identity again. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to x plus y plus z. For this I am writing dividing with 2 and multiplying with 2, that equal x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx. So that equals xy z. I am not changing it left side because already we have the same in our question. Equal to, okay, into, so 1 by 2 and taking this 1 by 2 in front and taking this 2 inside. So that is 2 into x square 2x square plus 2y square plus 2z square minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. Multiplied these 2 to all. So that equal 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into 2x square. I am writing as x square plus x square, and it is, this is also same, y square plus y square, z square plus z square, minus 2x, sorry, this is y, minus 2xy minus 2yz minus 2zx, that equals 1 by 2 into x plus y plus z into, so just I'm interchanging this all as x square, then I am writing y square, then after I'm writing minus 2xy, just because this you can write as x minus y whole square. This gives x minus y square, because here we have x minus y whole square. Next, I'm writing y square plus z square minus 2yz, because it gives y minus z whole square, plus remaining x square plus z square minus 2zx or xz. So that equals half into x plus y plus z into, it is x square plus y square minus 2xy. So it is, we can write as x minus y whole square. Okay. Next, y square plus z square minus 2yz. So it is y minus z whole square, plus from this it is x square plus z square minus 2zx. We can write z minus x whole square. Okay, can write x minus z or z minus x. This is 1 by 2 x plus y plus z into x minus y whole square plus y minus z whole square plus z minus x whole square. So this is asked in the question. So that is x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz equal to this. So this only asked in the question. So ఇదే మనల్ని క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాడు. Okay, so next 13th one is, in the 13th problem we have two problems. That in that first one is, that is a, if x plus y plus z equal 0, show that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So what is given? X plus y plus z equal to 0. By using this you have to show this. So first of all, x plus y, taking z to right side, it will become minus z. So in our question we have cubes, so that's why I'm take cube on both sides, that is x plus y whole cube equal to minus z whole cube. So it is x plus y whole cube identity, that is x cube plus 3xy into x plus y plus y cube equal to minus, power odd number is minus, z cube. So here we have x plus y. We know that x plus y equal to minus z. Substitute x plus y equal to minus z. So that equals x cube plus 3xy into minus z plus y cube equal to minus z cube. So x cube plus into minus, minus 3xyz plus y cube equal to minus z cube. So x cube plus, I am writing y cube, then taking minus z cube to left side, it will become plus z cube. equal to transposing this minus 3xyz to right side. It will become plus 3xyz. 3xyz. So this is x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This only asked in the question. So we got x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Okay. So next B. So in 13th B, that is second one. Show that a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube equal to 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. So here what is given? Show that a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus a whole cube equal to 3 into a minus b plus into b minus c into c minus a. Yeah. In the above problem, what we shown? If x plus y plus z equals in the a. So in the first problem, దీనికంటే ముందు ఏలో ఏం నేర్చుకున్నాం? If x plus y plus z equals 0, then x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. This is we shown in the before problem. So this is also in the same way. X cube, that is in place of x we have a minus b, and in place of y b minus c, in place of z we have c minus a. So x cube plus y cube plus z cube form equal to 3xyz form. So it is same like as this identity, this form. So when it is possible, if x plus y plus z equal to 0, then only it is possible. Let us show whether this sum is equal to 0 or not. So let us see. Here x equal to we have a minus b, and y equal to b minus c, and z equal to c minus a. So what you have to show? X plus y plus z equal to 0. That is a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. So that equals plus a minus a cancel, minus b plus b cancel, minus c plus c cancel, that equal to 0. So that means we got a x plus y plus z equal to 0. Then we can say that x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. Therefore x cube, that is a minus b whole cube plus b minus c whole cube plus c minus z whole cube equal to 3xyz, a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. I think all you are following my classes. If you have any doubt, you have to write in the comment box. Also you can write suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you one and all.